Want to transform your life, grow your wealth, and master success, all while doing your daily routine? Imagine unlocking the secrets of the world's greatest minds, whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing. Good news, your first audiobook is absolutely free. Experience best-selling thrillers, powerful self-development, and epic adventures, all in one tap. Start your free trial now. Get unlimited access to thousands of books, only $2 a month after your 30-day free trial. And guess what? You can cancel anytime, no risks, no regrets. Click the link below and start listening today. Click the links in the description, grab your free audiobook, and claim your 4-book bundle for just $4 before the deal expires. First on our list of passive income powerhouses, dividend stocks. This is about owning a piece of well-established companies, the blue-chip giants, that pay you just for being a shareholder. Imagine getting a paycheck every 3 months from companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, even if you don't work for them. If you had invested $10,000 in Coca-Cola 20 years ago, you'd be making over $1,000 per year in passive income, just for holding on to that stock. First things first, you gotta pick the right companies, the ones with a solid track record of increasing their dividends year after year. Once you've found those dividend aristocrats, you'll need a platform to buy their stocks. There are tons of options out there like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. And here's a pro tip. Reinvest those dividends. Use that money to buy more shares, more pieces of those companies. Alright, moving on to our second passive income powerhouse, real estate investing. Real estate is, and always will be, one of the most powerful ways to build wealth passively. Why? Because people will always need a place to live. It's simple supply and demand. Let's say you buy a rental property, a nice little condo for $200,000. You put down a down payment, get a mortgage, just like everyone else. Now, you rent out that condo for $1,500 per month. After paying your mortgage, property taxes, maybe a little bit for maintenance, you could still be pocketing $500 or more every single month without lifting a finger. But hey, maybe being a landlord isn't your thing. One option is Airbnb. You buy a property, spruce it up a bit, and rent it out to travelers for short-term stays. Or if you want to skip the hassle of managing properties altogether, you can invest in real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Chapter 3. Alright, let's talk about the lazy investor's dream, index funds. I'm talking about a hands-off approach to investing that can make you a lot of money over the long haul. Index funds are perfect for those who want to build wealth without the stress of constantly picking individual stocks. It's like investing in the entire stock market with just one purchase. Instead of trying to outsmart Wall Street, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of the top 500 companies in the US economy. Imagine you had invested $10,000 in an S&P 500 index fund 30 years ago. Today, that $10,000 investment would be worth over $200,000, without you having to lift a finger. Now you're probably wondering, okay, but how do I get in on this index fund action? It's incredibly simple. First, you need to open a brokerage account. There are tons of great options out there like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. Once you've got your brokerage account set up, it's time to buy an S&P 500 index fund. Some popular S&P 500 index funds include VOO and SPY. Now all that's left to do is sit back, relax, and let your money grow over time. Chapter 4. Alright, let's switch gears and dive into the world of online income with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about making money online without having to create your own product. Instead, you become an affiliate for other companies and get paid a commission every time someone buys through your unique referral link. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're a fitness enthusiast, you love working out, you love trying out new gear, and you've built a solid following on Instagram or YouTube. With affiliate marketing, you can partner with fitness apparel companies, supplement brands, or even online fitness programs. Every time someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. And the best part? You don't have to handle any of the customer service, shipping, or fulfillment. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, but how do I find these affiliate programs and start earning those sweet commissions? Well, it's easier than you think. There are tons of affiliate networks out there like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Chapter 5. Last but not least, let's talk about the holy grail of passive income, selling digital products. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and you can sell them an unlimited number of times. No inventory, no shipping costs, no manufacturing headaches. Imagine this, You've got a knack for photography, right? You love capturing stunning landscapes, breathtaking portraits. Now instead of just posting those photos on Instagram for likes, you create an online course teaching others how to master the art of photography. You package your knowledge, your experience, your unique style, into a comprehensive online course and sell it for, let's say, $100. Now let's say you sell just 10 of those courses per month. That's an extra $1,000 in your pocket every single month, without you having to actively teach or mentor each student individually. And the best part? As your course gains traction, as more people discover it, as you get more testimonials, those sales can skyrocket. There are endless possibilities when it comes to digital products. Now that you know the 5 best passive income investments, imagine your life in a few years. More freedom, less stress, and money flowing in, even while you sleep. Quick recap: 1. Dividend stocks. Get paid just for owning shares. 2. Real estate. Make money from rental properties or Airbnb. 3. Index funds. The easiest way to grow wealth passively. If you're serious about building passive income, start with just one of these methods today. Let me know in the comments. Which passive income stream will you try first? Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making content.